Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by positioning the Xbox where airflow is clear and consistent. Cooling matters. Plug the power cable into the console and a grounded outlet, then run the HDMI to your TV's main HDMI port. Once done, insert batteries into the controller and pair via the Xbox button or USB-C for first-time setup. Make sure TV input matches the HDMI port. This immediate sequence gets the hardware awake and ready for software steps next. You'll now complete the guided on-screen setup. Choose language and region, then connect to Wi-Fi or Ethernet for faster downloads. Sign into your Microsoft account so cloud saves sync. If you don't have one, create it. Security options like two-factor authentication protect purchases. Once signed in, accept system updates and choose auto-update preferences so games patch automatically. Finally, enable low latency or auto HDR settings to optimize performance. These choices shape how the console behaves every session. You finish by linking the Xbox app to manage installs and use remote features. This simplifies library control. Prioritize downloading the Xbox dashboard update and any Game Pass titles you want, and set storage rules if using external SSD. Once everything installs, calibrate audio and display in settings for best picture. If something goes wrong, no video or network issues, unplug power for 10 seconds to hard reboot. Reset HDMI/power cables and try another HDMI port before contacting support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.